Press the bell icon to never miss a video from PopXO Daily.
Hi everyone, I'm Devina from The Light Within and I have a very special message for you. I hope you're doing well, I hope you're doing safe and sound, and I hope that these messages will help you feel more positive and uplifted than you already are right now. So I'm going to be pulling out cards for you from my angel deck for each sun sign. So all of us are categorized into different sun signs which have certain personality traits that we can relate to, and these messages are going to be for each sun sign. So let's see what the stars have in store for us. The first message that I'm going to pull out for is for Capricorns from this gorgeous looking deck, and the message for you is opportunity. Be open to all opportunities that are coming your way. This is a time when something new may be entering your life, a new opportunity, a new relationship. Act on it, okay? Strike while the iron is hot, because if you keep waiting for something better to come, it may never come along. The universe is on your side. It is showering you with abundance. So Capricorns, act on the opportunity because the time for you is now. All right? The next star sign is Aquarius. And the message for you is forgiveness. Forgive and let go of any situations that are holding you back. Now, by holding on to certain anger, holding on to anything from the past, we're actually harming ourselves more because we are carrying the burden. So it's very important for you to let it go. By forgiving somebody, you're not saying that it's okay that they've done whatever they have to you, but you're just letting go of the burden and making yourself lighter. So forgive and forget and let go of any situations from your past. All right? The next message I have is for Pisces. And the message for you is not to worry. The universe is on your side. Something is brewing. Something is working out for you. You may not see the results right now, but it is going to happen. The more we worry, the more we block it from coming in. So it's very important for you to stay put, stay in faith, surrender what you can't control, and let the universe do the rest of the work. All right? This is your message, Pisces, from your guides and from the universe. Now the next card I have is for Aries. This is your message. Something is going to happen a year from now. It's very simple. Something you've been wanting, something that you've been working on. It could be a marriage, it could be a promotion, it could be some new business venture that you finally want, it to take off. There may be certain delays right now, but a year from now, you will be in a much better position. You'll be much happier, and things are going to be looking up for you. You're going to be surrounded by people who love you and a lot of happiness. So have patience. Time is flying fast, and before you know it, you're going to be there. Okay? Now, the next message I have is for Taurus. All right? And the message for you is to be assertive. Be assertive. Be the strong person who you are. Stand your ground for what you believe. Hold on to your power and don't allow anyone else to take your power away. This is very important. You hold the key to your success. You hold the key to your emotions, your happiness. So don't give that away to anyone else. All right? You're strong. You know what you want, and just go after that. Don't allow anyone else to bend you or control you. You have control of any situation in your hands. All right? So that is for Taurus, is to be assertive. The next message that I have is for Gemini. All right, so the card for you is don't stop. All right, so continue doing what you're doing. This is very important for you. If we think that we want changes, if we think that we want a job shift or a change at the moment, this is not the time for it right now. Continue doing what you're doing and don't make any changes. This is important for you, because if you stop and you take a break, then to get back into that momentum is going to be tough. So continue doing what you're doing. You're doing fabulously well, and if you feel like you're not happy or satisfied in your situation currently, things will get better. Things will move into motion for you, but don't make that change right now. It's very important to continue doing what you're doing. All right, so that is for Gemini. The next one is for Cancer. Cancerians. Wait. All right, wait it out. In case you feel there are other options coming your way, don't go for them right now. Okay, there's something better that might be coming your way. Don't make any hasty decisions. Don't make any sudden jumps, in your career or in your relationships. Wait it out, because this is the time where you're going to figure out a few things, you're going to learn a few things, and if you make any hasty changes, you may regret it. So wait for something better and continue to be doing what you're doing, or to be in the relationship that you are. All right? The next message I have is for Leos. Look for a sign. All right, Leos? There is some communication, some signs that are coming to you to do something or go a certain way, some opportunities that suddenly may come to you. You may just get an email, you may get, a certain message from the universe. Any sign that comes more than 3 times, guys, for you is a message. Look for the signs and act on it, because the universe is communicating with you. All right? So that is for Leos. Now for Virgos, your message is, you have a lot of people helping you. There are people looking out for you. There are people helping you. If you feel that you're not able to do a particular situation on your own, you're not able to handle a particular situation on your own, just reach out to, because there are people who want to help you. There are people who want to reach out and help you. So take that help at this moment. Sometimes we're too proud. We're too proud to ask for help, and we think that we can handle everything ourselves. It's okay. It's okay to reach out. It's okay to ask for help, because there are people who want to look out for you and want to help you. So just ask, and they're going to be there. All right? So this is for Virgos. And now we have a message for Librans. Okay, this is your message, which is, you're ready. You're absolutely ready. Things are falling into place, and everything has brought you to this point of your life, Librans. All right? So any trials and tribulations, any difficulties, any struggle have brought you to now, and you're ready to reap the benefits of everything that you've sown. Okay, so you're ready, the timing is perfect, and if you're waiting for something to happen, it's going to happen for you. You're absolutely ready to allow that new energy into your life. All right, so Librans, this is your message. Then the next one is for Scorpio. All right, and the message for you is, this is not really the right time. If you feel you want to make some changes, again, hasty decisions, it is important for you to wait it out. This is not the right time. It doesn't mean that nothing is going to happen for you. This is just a period where you're just waiting things out. Things are, falling into place for you, but there is something better that's going to come for you in a couple of months. Okay? So don't jump into anything. As I said, don't make any hasty decisions. Wait it out. The universe is supporting you, and don't feel bad about it. This is happening for a reason. Okay? And last but not the least is Sagittarius. And your message is to choose a new direction. Okay? So there may be a new direction that is being presented to you. There may be a new way of doing something. There may be a new strategy that you have to use. So pay attention to anything that comes to you, any suggestions that come to you, but choose to change what you're currently doing right now. Maybe if something is not working for you, it's important to change that and review that. So this is the message for you, Sagittarius, to change the way that you're doing things, and maybe that will bring in a lot more positive energy. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and share to Pop Exo Daily, and I will see you soon.